Hello children, welcome to the science class. Children, now we will discuss about chapter 2, that is nutrition in animals. This is a very important chapter. So listen carefully. In this chapter, children will discuss about steps in animal nutrition, nutrition in amoeba, then nutrition in humans, the nutrition in grass eating animals. So one by one we will discuss. Steps in animal nutrition. Majority of animals take food in the form of solids. This form of nutrition in which food is eaten in solid form is called holozoic nutrition. So what is holozoic nutrition? The process by which food is eaten in solid form is called holozoic nutrition. As the food eaten consists of complex substances such as carbohydrates and proteins, these are broken down in the animal body to utilize the nutrients. The food eaten by animals undergoes 5 steps. These are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Okay? So first we discuss about ingestion. What is ingestion? The process by which food is taken inside the body of an organism is called ingestion. Okay? Then comes to digestion. So first we see here some animals how they inject their food and their process of ingestion. Okay, then we discuss about digestion. So different organisms use different methods to get food. There are special structures in which organisms for taking food inside the body. For example, here you see amoeba. In case of amoeba, here you can see this is the structure of amoeba. False foods are there. Okay, these are false foods and these are also known as pseudopodium. Is used to engulf or take the food particle. Okay. When they see the food particle is there, they around or cover the food with the false food or pseudopodium. Then engulf the food. A spider weaves a web to catch the prey. A butterfly uses its feeding tube to suck nectar from flowers. This is feeding tube. The mosquito feed on the blood of animals and often eat through their feeding tube by sucking. Mosquito also, children, feeding tube. They have feeding tube. A frog uses its tongue to catch its prey. Here you can see a starfish gets its food in an amazing method. It feeds on small animals like snails, fish and worms. The tube feet present in the body of a starfish capture the food. Now the starfish pops out. Children, pops out means come out suddenly or forcefully. Its stomach through its mouth. So starfish suddenly or forcefully comes out its stomach from its mouth and wraps the stomach around the captured animal. Wraps means children cover. Okay. The stomach is then withdrawn into the body or taking inward. Withdrawn means taking inward into the body where the food is digested. Snakes like the python swallow the animals they prey upon. We use our hands to put food in our mouth. Then we can see digestion. The second process, first one is ingestion, then digestion. The food taken in this solid and complex. The process of converting or breaking down complex food into simple and soluble form is called digestion. So what is digestion? In which process our food converting or break down complex to simple or soluble forms is known as digestion. Most animals use both physical and chemical methods for converting the complex food into simpler soluble form. Here you see different steps in nutrition. First ingestion, digestion, then absorption, assimilation, and last one is egestion. So third step is absorption. It is the process by which the digested nutrients are taken to different parts of the body by the circulatory system, means blood. The cells in the body then absorb these digested food molecules. Then assimilation. It is the process of using absorbed food molecules for producing energy and growth. So in assimilation, in this process, what happens? The absorbed food molecules producing energy and growth. Then egestion, last process. The process of removing undigested food materials from the body is called egestion. So children, you remember the steps of nutrition. Then nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a microscopic single-celled organism found in pond water. It is a simple organism having an irregular shape. Its body consists of a cell membrane, a rounded nucleus, and many bubble-like vacuoles. Here you can see children, vacuoles are there. These are one vacuoles, okay, and this is nucleus. Amoeba is capable of constantly changing its shape. It has no definite shape, okay, so it can easily change its shape and position also. It gives out one or more finger-like projections called false feet or pseudopodia, okay, like this. These are finger-like projections known as pseudopodia. These help in movement and capturing food. Amoeba does not have a mouth or digestive system. Children, you remember, amoeba does not have a mouth or a digestive system. Its food consists of microscopic organisms. On sensing food, sensing means children absorb, okay. Amoeba gives out pseudopodia which surround the food particle and ultimately take the food particle inside the body. The food particle inside the amoeba forms a food vacuole. Here you can see food, so many food vehicles are there. Digestion of the food particle is a chemical process and is performed by digestive juice called enzymes. The digestive juice are secreted into the food vacuole and help in breaking down food into simpler substances. Then the digested food is absorbed. On assimilation, the amoeba grows in size. The undigested food is thrown outside at any point with the help of a temporary vacuole. So clear about amoeba? Then comes to nutrition in humans. Here broadly discuss about our digestive system and the digestive system parts. So listen carefully. Children, you know humans are omnivorous. Means our body is able to digest both plant and animal. We take in food through our mouth. From the mouth it passes through a number of organs in the body. All these organs together form a food canal called alimentary canal or digestive tract. So this is the digestive system you see. Okay. First, food particles comes from the mouth through esophagus, then reach to the stomach, and then so many parts are there. One by one we will discuss. First one is mouth and mouth cavity or buccal cavity, then esophagus or food pipe. Okay. Then stomach, then small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. A few glands are also associated with the alimentary canal. These are the salivary glands, the liver and the pancreas. These glands secrete digestive juice. So children, you remember liver and pancreas secretes digestive juice which convert complex food substance into simpler ones. The alimentary canal and the associated glands together constitute the digestive system. Food is taken into the body through the mouth. This process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. Already we discussed about what is ingestion. Let's see the mouth. The mouth contains the tongue, teeth and salivary glands. It is interesting to know that digestion begins in the mouth itself. So children, you remember digestion starts in the mouth, not in the stomach. Okay. The teeth help in breaking bigger food particle into smaller pieces by the process of chewing or mastication. This is a mechanical process. The tongue helps in mixing saliva with the food. Saliva is the watery substance that is present in the mouth. It is secreted by the 3 pairs of salivary glands. The juice present in saliva help in chemical digestion. So these digestive juice are help to digestion, chemical digestion of starch into sugar. After the food is broken down into smaller pieces, the mixed with saliva, it is swallowed down the digestive system and enters the food pipe or esophagus. Okay, here we see in the figure from mouth through esophagus, food particles reaches into the mouth. Okay. Before we go further, let us learn more about the teeth and the tongue. Teeth. Children, you know, teeth are located in our jaws, upper and lower jaws, in the mouth cavity. They are fixed to the gums. Based on the structure and function, teeth are of 4 types. In the previous classes also you know that are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Next page gives the type of number and teeth in humans. Here you see the teeth, shape and size. Okay, here position of salivary glands, where salivary glands are there, and here total structures are given. But here you see in this table how many teeth are there here given. So incisors located in front. Here children, printing mistake is there. Here this one is lower and this one is upper. Okay. This is upper, lower jaw and upper jaw. So incisor, lower jaw 4, upper jaw 4. So 4 plus 4, 8, and their function is cutting and biting food. Then canines. Sharp teeth on either side of incisors. Numbers: lower jaw 2, upper jaw 2. So total 4. Function is precising and tearing food. Then 3 number premolars on either side of canines. 4 plus 4, lower plus upper, 8. Chewing and grinding food. Then 4 number is molars on either side of premolars. 6, 6. Lower jaw and upper jaw. Total is 12. Okay. Chewing and grinding food. So children, you see how many teeth are there: incisors, canine, premolar and molar. So this one you remember, very important. Okay, you remember. Thus there are 16 teeth in each jaw with a total of 32 teeth. If you add these numbers, children, you get 32. So total number of human being means young people, 32 teeth. There are a total of 8 molars in all, and second set of 4 molars develops at the age of 18 or more. These are called wisdom teeth. Okay. Then temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Already you know. Temporary teeth means milk teeth. At birth, a human infant has no teeth. The first teeth appear after 6 months or so. Means maybe 7 months, maybe 8 months, maybe 9 months. Okay. And follow between 6 to 8 years of age. These are called milk teeth and they are temporary. There are 20 milk teeth. Okay. So, milk teeth means temporary teeth 20 and permanent teeth 32. Then tongue. Tongue, a fleshy muscular organ, is attached at the back and free at the front. Back side it is attached, but front side it is what? It is free. Then it can be moved in all directions. It performs the following functions. It helps in mixing the chewed food with saliva. It helps in swallowing food. It helps to detect different tastes of food. with the help of taste buds. So children, here you see so many taste buds are there that are salty, sour, sweet and bitter. These tastes can be identified in different areas on the surface of the tongue. Here you see this is bitter part, this is sour part, both sides. This is salty and this is sweet. Okay, these side parts are sour. So like this we have different taste buds in different places in our tongue. So after this you read this lesson properly, okay, and learn each terms, means the process of nutrition. Okay, you learn. Next class we discuss about, means next video will discuss about esophagus. Okay, for today this much. Thank you.